Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now all of you open your EVS workbook, page number 64, making pots. Okay, and we have already completed our textbook. Next workbook, making pots. From this chapter we have learned that pots and other utensils are made from clay, and the person who makes this is called potter, and pots are used for storing different things and utensils are used for cooking and eating. A potter makes pots from claying soil. The soil is mostly found near ponds and rivers or water bodies. He uses a trowel to dig the soil, and then he dries, grounds and sieves it, and he then kneads it with water to make a clay dough. He uses a potter's wheel to give shape to the pots he makes, and he then dries them under sun and then heats them to make them strong. And kiln is a furnace or a big oven. Some of the utensils that potter makes are surai, ghara, diwa, flower pot, kulhar, sakora, etc. Okay. Next question answer. Number 1. Answer the following question. What does a potter need to make a pot? So number 1 answer is potter, P-O-T-T-E-R, potter, needed, N-E-E-D, clay, C-L-A-Y, clay, to make a pot, okay. Next number 2. Why did the crow need to dig clay? Crow needed the pot so that he can fill it with water. So the crow needed to dig clay. So the crow needed, N-E-E-D, to dig clay. Next number 3. Who was the first friend of the crow? The sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow, Pugudi, P-H-U-G-U-D-I, was the first friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend of the crow. Next number 4. How many eggs did the sparrow lay? The sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow, laid, L-A-I-D, laid an egg. Okay. Next number 5. Who was more clever, the crow or the sparrow? The sparrow is more clever. Okay. Next number 2. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. A potter makes pot using sand. That is false. Number 2. A trowel is a tool used to make pot. A trowel is tool used to make pot. No, trowel is to dig the soil. Trowel, we use trowel to dig the soil. So trowel is a tool used to make pot. That is false. Number 3. Pots are baked in a kiln to make them stronger. True. Number 4. A blacksmith makes tools. Yes, that is true. Number 5. A kiln is furnace or oven used for heating and baking the pottery. That is true. And number 6, a potter needs potter's wheel to shape the pot. That is true. Next, page number 66. How did early men make pots? Collect the information and explain. So number 3 answer. The early humans learned to make pottery, pottery, out of clay. Pottery out of clay. They were initially INITIALLY made by making making a hole into a ball of clay. Okay, and then baked the fire. Okay. Next, question number 4. First it is the board. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Pots are made from clay. Number 2. Potters uses trowel. TROWEL. Trowel to dig clay from clay pit. Potter uses potter's wheel. WHEEL to shape his pots. Pots are dried under sunlight. And number 5, after drying the pots, they are heated in kiln. Okay. Next, number 5. Write the step or making pots. Okay. First, dig the soil. Next, he dries grounds and sieves it. Dries ground and sieves. SIEVES. Sieves it. Next, kneads KNEADS. Kneads it with water. To make clay dough. 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 Next, to give shape to the pots. And next, dries under sunlight. Okay. And next, last one. Here the some picture, this picture. Okay. Clay pots, write their names below the picture and take the help of the help box. So number 1, 7, 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, that is the flower pot. that is kettle, K double E T K E T T L E, kettle. That is ghora, Ghara, ghora. VASE, vase. Flower pot, FLOWER, flower pot. And last one, that is surai, SURAHI. Okay, so today we complete up to this already completed chapter making pots. Okay, and next class we will start our next chapter, games we play.